Have you ever dreamed of waking up and taking off with your private plane directly from your home? Here you can. Welcome back to a new dream tour. Today's home has captured worldwide attention and is part of the iconic collection by Dreamer Real Estate, a curated selection of Italy's most remarkable properties. We are stepping inside an historic noble mansion with its very own private airport in the heart of Tuscany, a rare gem that deserves your full attention. We are in Peccioli, a picturesque village near Pisa, awarded the title of Borgo dei Borghi 2024, the most beautiful village in Italy. The Borgo is just a short drive from Laiatico, the birthplace of Andrea Bocelli, home to the renowned Teatro del Silenzio, un anfiteatro open air where Bocelli performed annually. With its timeless landscape and rich history, Peccioli stands proudly among Tuscany's most iconic destinations, making now the ideal moment to invest in its future. From here, we are just 1 hour from Florence and the beautiful Tuscan seaside location, 1 hour and a half from Siena and only a short drive from the international Pisa airport. The property extends across an incredible 320 hectares of land and includes 18 buildings for a total of 80,000 square meters. The main villa with 12 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms, guest accommodations, a private airstrip and heliport with hangar, swimming pool, tennis court, an irrigation pond, a wonderful garden, olive grove, private chapel dedicated to Sant'Anna, and even a private hunting reserve. The property also includes numerous buildings that can be adapted to any needs and suit any vision of the owner. Imagine a luxury resort in the Tuscan hills, complete with a wellness center, gym, luxury suite. Many hospitality groups are turning their attention to Tuscany, as it has become a true trend driven by growing demand for high-potential properties like this. Outside, a magnificent and meticulously landscaped garden surrounds the property, featuring several outdoor living spaces, a stunning pool with panoramic views of the Tuscan hills, and a tennis court designed for relaxation and sport. The estate also features an enchanting olive grove and the private hunting reserve. But the true jewel of this property is its private airport, complete with a runway for both airplanes and helicopters, a uniqueness that stands unrivaled in the international market. The many facilities allow the owner to use the property as a venue for ceremonies and events, or transform it into a luxury resort in the heart of Tuscany, or make it a prestigious and truly unique private residence with a value of 25 million euros, representing a once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a Tuscan masterpiece. This residence is not just historic, we can say that it's legendary. Documents from the year of 1044 found in the state archives of Pisa already mention this villa. Over a millennium of history preserved within these walls, where tradition and nobility meet timeless Tuscan elegance. The villa stands out for its meticulous attention to detail,
The use of fine materials and historic artistic elements preserved intact through the centuries. Entering the villa, you're welcomed by a bright and spacious living area, a place that tells a story of centuries past. Inside, expansive and carefully designed salons welcome guests alongside 12 sophisticated bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and exclusive spaces that blend the modern comfort with historic charm, offering an unparalleled living experience.
Thank you for joining us in this extraordinary journey, and don't forget to subscribe for our next dream tour. This time we can say where luxury knows no limits. Ciao!